Only you have to watch this video and you able to get this Accenture internship certificate. Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. We are on the platform of Inside Sherpa, and here we are going to do the internship provided by Accenture. You have many questions in your mind because of my video on Inside Sherpa in virtual internships are real or fake, but you get answers of your all questions after watching this video. So let's start this video. These are the course content. Total 5 modules and total 7 tasks are there. There are 2 modules which have 2 tasks, and now I am going to register. You can register if you are new on this platform, but I have already an account and now I am going to start this internship. Firstly, why this virtual internship is important for you, you can read these contents, and after that there are some questions. I directly move to the tasks. Firstly, there are some questions, and after that there is an introduction video. Here is the introduction video of this internship. Just tap. After watching this introduction video, there are modules. There are 5 modules, as I say here: project outcomes, client, other modules. And here we are going to start the first module, and in this module there are 2 tasks. First module, project priorities and planning. I am going to solve this task, and first reason of choosing this internship of Accenture is because there are no documents to be uploaded in this internship. There is only quizzes whom you have to answer all correct to move to the next task. So there is no another option here, and here are some resources from which you get all the knowledge about the tasks, and after that you attempt the task. And here I am going to attempt the task 1. You have to choose the correct answers from these statements. So just watch. You will be able to complete all the tasks with this video. So doesn't waste your time. Start your internship with this video and complete all the tasks with me. As I initially said, there is only quizzes here. There is no documents required. So what you have to do, I just instruct you and you complete all the tasks. Here we completed the first task and moving to the next one, and here is the next task. Here you also have a quiz. Firstly, we read all the contents. I show you what is the content in it. Here are the resources. Just tap on it, you get downloaded contents, and after that you have to choose in this the correct one. Here are the correct ones. You just do as I am showing you, and you completed all the tasks without any other resources. After choosing, now click on check my submission, and here okay, our task is not yet completed. Now we have to choose one more thing. Here we have to choose starting week, and after that activity type. Starting week of this task, and what is the current activity type of that task. So there is random choosing, doesn't matter what you have to choose, so you can also choose what you want. After this, tap on finalize my submission, but I doesn't able to finalize my submission because I left one without any selection, so I do it, and after that just finish the task and move to the next one. We completed the tasks of module 1. Now we have to go for the next module. Just tap on next module, and here is the next module. Module number 2, user journey redesign, and here we also move towards the task, and here is the only one task, and here you get only the optional questions, means you have to choose the correct option. There are resources, you can read it, and after that you have to attempt all the questions and you have to answer all correct. So just watch. For the question number 1, correct answer is the first one, no change. We move to the second one. Here is the second. Third one is the correct for the second. For question number 3, option 2. Question number 4, first option is correct. Option 3 is correct. Here also option 3 is correct. And for the last, option 3 is here also correct. We completed this task also and finished this. And after that we are moving on third module, that is outcomes analysis. And here we are going for the task. Only one task are there. And what is the task? You get here. Just start the task. Fifth option is correct. Third option is correct. Option number 3 is correct. Fourth module, client communication. There are two tasks here. First task is fix the errors. You just tap on. There is a summary here. Start the task. Here is the first task. There is a summary here. You have to just tap on the 10 words which are incorrect in it. Just tap a random words. There are no matter. You easily submit these answers. So I am just tapping the random words. You can choose any of them. And after selection, it's show how much you are correct. And after that you just tap on finish task. And now moves on second one. And here we completed that. And start the task. Second task. Here we have to answer. For first, fourth option is correct. Option 1 is correct. Second option. Here also second option is correct. Fourth option is correct here. And this is the last question of this task, that is the question number 6, and for this option 2 is correct. Now we are on fifth module, prioritization and impact assessment, and we are going for the task. There is only one task here, but it is very important task. Proper attention is needed from your side. And here we start the task. Here prioritization and impact assessment, and we have to choose the numbers from here. You just follow as I am doing. I am choosing all the answers within the sequence, so there is no confusion. Remain on your side because there is no reshuffling of any of the questions are going to do. Here I chosen all the answers. You can one more time you can see, but here one is incorrect and I am going to correct it. There is a red line here. I'm going to correct it. You can see what is the correct answer for this. Here I am wrongly put 2 here and correct is 4. And when you put 4 here, this all are correct, you can see. And after that there is one more task remain here. To choose correct from here, we have to choose 5 correct, but I am unable to show you all 5 correct because there is a problem. So I'm just tell you that in the above there are 2 more answers are correct. That is one start from discover, and in one there is an artificial intelligence mentioned. So you go for it and choose them also, and after that you able to get your certificate. Here my course is completed, the internship is completed, and I got a certificate from Accenture. Here I just tap on next for generating my certificate. Firstly, there are post course surveys there, just read, and also some questions which you have to choose in strongly agree and other option. You can choose any of the random answer, and after that you are able to generate your certificate. I'm just choosing any random answers. There is no need to care, and after that you have to rate this course. When you rate this course, you are able to get your certificate, and my certificate is generated from Accenture. Thanks for Accenture. Thanks you all for watching this video.